guys, it's me, Chip-tastic! I'm a piggy. What's that sound? Okay. Oh, hi, Sponge Pig. What is that? Oh no. Kitty! Tyrion! Tyrion! You're being videoed! Oh, he's making himself comfortable. Tyrion, we need to look at you. At least you guys can look at me. You guys have seen my face in a whole bunch of other videos. My room is a mess. It's on the move. Oh, he's sleeping. We'll try to. Okay. Oh, kitty. Where did you go? So cute. Oh, you're biting. Oh my god, you're eating a toy dog. You're insane! Oh, we need to get this. He bit me. Whoa.
I come to claim the kitty tax.
No!
Yep.
Go away. He hates you.
You're not even...
I'm videoing him. Hello. He's cute.
Okay, seriously, I want him back with them.
No, don't look away.
Right.
What?
One more thing, here.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, your Calypso's out here.
I know.
Yeah.
It's right there. He's so silent. Kitty. You're so cute. He's so... Why does he look so sad? Oh, I touched him. Oh, goodness, he's eating my computer. Ow. Dang it! Stabbed myself with a pen. See, that's how much of a mess my room is. I stabbed myself with pins. Dang it. Why is there even a pin in here? Oh god, he wants to attack me. Oh, that hurt. Ow. 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 You hurt me. No, the pen hurt me. You did nothing, you adorable kitten. Over here. Yes. He's so cute. Kittens look like this when I look like this. That's not what I look like. I look like this. Anyways, I'm gonna do an imitation of my kitten. What is my... Hey. It's me, Barney. No, that's not it.
Hello, I am Darth Vader.
You can definitely hire me for Darth Vader. You know that? You. Right there. You. Yes. You. The purple one. So, guys. Oh no, they're coming for us. I smell them. Oh, eat us! Eat us! Eat us! Who are you? You strange person. I'm just a little pig. 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 Where's the kitten? Look at this. I can't get it. Yeah, I'm a little bit. Oh no. Oh no. This is the ultimate face reveal. But first, let me take a selfie. Okay, I'm bad at that. I suck. But time to eat you. Hot blood. A nice mild taquito. It's bending. Why are you bending? No, stop. Stop bending. We are here to mourn over the death of Charlie, the taquito. Time to eat. Anyways, guys. Looks like our video's coming to an end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you. Bye. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.